Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Personal readings is down below in the description box. Let's go ahead and get into it. Energy is always fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine, it could be a feminine energy. This is toothpaste because I have a pimple, y'all. We got to dry it out now. I got more than enough marks on my face that I need to clear up, and I don't need to be popping any more pimples, okay? That's it. I'm already trying to clear these dark marks up all over my body. I ain't got time. What's it called? Hyperpigmentation. Anybody got time for that? What y'all got going on though? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. What's happening? Hold up. Let me shuffle it. What's happening though? I think my next reading will possibly be the elements. Fire, air, earth, and water. See what y'all got going on. I'm seeing you guys are being divinely protected. What I'm about to say, is it holes? No, it got wet with some oil or something. Because water don't dry like that. Water don't dry like that. But yeah, I'm saying energy, you guys being divinely protected. That's what I'm showing here. I don't know if there was some sort of cord cutting. I don't know if you physically did a cord cutting or you energetically cut somebody out your life. Okay? And your spirit team is right riding for you. They riding. They say, you cut them out, we riding with you. We ain't dealing with them either. Clarify this divinely protected energy, please. Period. One card. Divinely protected. I'm saying you look high vibrational. Clarify divinely protected. You guys are high vibrational beings. That's what I'm seeing here. And this person is in this energy of avoidance. They don't want to be seen. They're avoiding some sort of accountability, avoiding you. You could be avoiding them or something like that. But I'm definitely seeing an energy of you being divinely protected. And you cut some sort of energy from this person. Let's go ahead and clarify high vibrational, please, Spirit. What's going on with high vibrational? Clarify high vibrational for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. I'm seeing birds might be significant. I'm seeing a big old bird up there. I don't know. It might be first thing I thought about, crow is kind of small. That could be like an eagle. It could be a hawk, a vulture even. High vibrational. Clarify high vibrational, please, Spirit. What's going on? High vibrational for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. What is it that we need to know? High vibrational. One more. At the bottom of the deck, I am definitely showing sweetheart. Number 62 could be significant. Okay, it seems like this was a rejection is your protection type of energy. I'm saying that there's an energy of you receiving some sort of love offer. Number 56 could be significant. Now, with this love offer, it came from someone that is selfish, okay? An ice queen, emotionally unavailable, emotionally closed off. Number 41 could be significant. And I'm seeing like there's an energy, it comes with emotional pain after some sort of being in a connection with whoever this person is that with this love offer. It seems like it came with some sort of heartbreak or some sort of emotional pain. I'm seeing number 32 could be significant. Okay, I'm seeing an energy of clouded thoughts. Okay. All right. You might possibly thought that this person was some sort of sweetheart or something like that. Number 62 could be significant, but I'm showing things coming to an end. I'm seeing that there's an end of the road. There's energy of this person being blocked off. When I look at this card, I think of 911. Emergency energy, like the spirit had to cut you off, like they can't come with you type of energy. They cut them off. Like this is where you split, this is where you end. They can't come with you type of energy. And I'm seeing this person having some sort of animosity or has some sort of animosity towards you because of your high honor. Okay? Look, spirit wanted you to abandon a relationship or a connection with somebody that was manipulating. Okay? This person was possibly even doing voodoo or some sort of witchcraft. That's what I'm showing here. This person tried to portray themselves as some sort of soulmate or your person or something like that, which they are not or were not and will not be. Okay? That's what I'm seeing here. They got a nerve to have animosity because spirit and separate ties between the two of you. Like, please, we know that you don't fuck with them. And how we be damned if you come with them and think you're gonna celebrate or be a part of anything that we have set for them. Absolutely not. Please. Clarify this love offer. People with the, the nerve. What is it? The unmitigated gall, type of energy. Like who the fuck is you? Like really, who the fuck is you? Let's go ahead and clarify this love offer. Okay, clarify love offer. Somebody like, if I'm speaking to a masculine energy, this person was like infatuated with your penis. I'm being completely honest, y'all. Love offer. Yeah, I feel like this person might have been infatuated with your penis or something that y'all did sexually. And I feel like that's right there after some sort of sexual connection or something like that is when the bullshit began. Because it's almost like somebody I'm seeing wanting to restrict, causing some sort of restriction. There's energy of trapped or wanting to trap you or keep you trapped or keep you stuck. But I'm also seeing an energy of some sort of divided loyalty. There's energy of at a crossroad. There, I'm showing this person having a lot of secrets and things being hidden, especially when it's coming in regards to like backstabbing you. This person was backstabbing, betraying you, possibly talking negatively about you. And then I said he was dabbling in that magic too. I wouldn't be surprised if this person done some love magic on you. Sex magic. Let's go ahead and clarify this ice queen. Number 41 can be significant. Ice queen. One more for this ice queen energy. This person was investing in two people at the same time, a water sign and a fire sign. Uh, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio energy is what I'm seeing here. They were definitely investing in both of you guys, trying to decide who they were going to choose, who they were going to be with. This is also like an energy of spirit had you in this. Needed you to let go because the hangman talked about wanting you to let go, viewing things from a different perspective, especially when it came to whoever this person is. I feel like somebody's hair started turning gray. This person was very stressful. Okay. Spirit wanted you to let go and view things from a different perspective so that you can be happy. The focus on your own happiness is what I'm seeing here and move forward. Okay, let's go ahead and clarify this emotional pain. Number 32 could be significant. I'm seeing somebody crying, heartbroken. Clarify this emotional pain. Yeah, I'm clarifying this emotional pain is in regards to you making some sort of choice and decision in the matter of love. Okay, with this lover's card. In regards to a relationship or something, it was a mandatory choice that you needed to make. Okay. And I'm seeing with the choice or decision that you made in the matters of love, it comes with healing. It also comes with the energy of harmony and wish fulfillment and things like that. Whoever you are, it triggered your spiritual, like I said, like there's an energy, like it triggers some sort of spiritual healing, some sort of self-love this may have triggered in you guys as well. Clarify this emotional pain. You had to cut cords, cut ties. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of conflict. I'm seeing like it's not easy or it wasn't easy or something like that, or it will not be easy. Because I'm definitely seeing an energy of conflict, and maybe this person was very argumentative or something like that. Because I'm seeing chaos, confusion, arguing, fussing, fighting, especially in regards to a choice or decision that you need to make in regards to this person. That's where the animosity comes from because you cut them off. Look, but it's like you had to be strong. There's an energy of you having to be strong. You had to be brave. You had to stand up for what you believe in, especially if you wanted to be happy. As you continue to walk or embark upon a new beginning, I'm seeing that there's some sort of a new financial start or new financial beginning or a new financial path that this person cannot come. They can't come with you. I'm seeing so many opportunity choices and things to choose from, and I'm seeing you receiving news right after you sever ties from this person. You receive some sort of message regarding money, regarding stability. Okay. Anything else regarding this emotional pain? People wanting to partner up with you. Okay, financially. Yeah, partner up with you, team up with you financially or something like that. That's what it seems like, or to make money together or something like that. Yeah, because I'm seeing an energy of people wanting to work with you. This is almost like equal reciprocity. This is like gifts, donations, people working with you, and you like having some sort of financial break. We got the justice out here talking about things working out in your favor. There's karmic justice to be had. If you were doing right by this person, shoot, this is what you're supposed to be receiving. This person wasn't doing right by you. They need to be getting what they receive. You're a high vibrational being. They didn't want to let you go because of your good luck. Ooh, I wasn't going to say that. I was thinking good nature, but I heard good luck. Whoever you are, you could possibly be a good luck charm to whoever this person is because they're a piece of shit. They can't manifest or build nothing of their own. And I'm seeing a closing of a cycle with whoever the fuck this person is. And that sounds about right. As you could take a leap of faith in a different direction where you're able to be free. This full energy is talks about your innocence. You being able to stand in your power and move in your power. This is a free spirited energy, a free spirited being. And I see you working too. You can be focusing on building your money, building some sort of business or something like that, building some sort of reputation. This could be talking about you focusing or mastering something where you could receive some sort of promotion or something. Nonetheless, there's an energy of elevation. There's an energy of ascension out here. Is what I'm showing here. It seems like this person wanted to change your course of path. All right? That's what it seems like. And it seems like this person didn't want to be seen with this avoidance right here. They didn't want to talk about it. They wouldn't want to talk about it. This person don't know how to communicate effectively. They think they can say and do whatever they want and have no consequences or anything like that. And Spirit said, absolutely not. That's what I'm seeing here. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.